Today we are looking at redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction means reducing, oxidizing, reducing, oxidizing. And how do we do that? Let's have a formula, an equation. Let's have an equation like this. To give us Mn2 plus Fe3 plus. So what do? The first thing you do is you calculate, you check. Let me tell you the basic things to do. You check the side with reducing and oxidizing. Reducing and oxidizing. That's 1. 2. You check. The next thing to do is you balance the equation. You balance the equation atomically. 3. You follow all these rules. You balance the equation. You balance the equation electrically. You balance the equation electrically. Then 4. You add up the reducing and oxidizing. Reducing and oxidizing equation. Go and sit down, I'm coming. So we have MnO4. I told us we'll calculate the side. We check the side with reducing and oxidizing. So you calculate the oxidation number. X minus 2 for oxygen is always minus 2. Equal times 4 equals to minus 2. X minus 8 equals to minus 2. Equals to minus 1 equals to minus 1. So we have X equals to minus 1 plus 8, and that's going to give us 7. We move to the next one. So after you've calculated that, you now let them know. We have from Mn7 plus to give us Mn2 plus. What is that? That is decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number. And decrease in oxidation number is reduction. What we know as oxidizing agents. It is reduction, but we also call it oxidizing agent. So from Fe2 plus to give us, from Fe3 plus to give us from Fe2 plus to give us Fe3 plus is increase. You can see from this one is 7, you check the top, to plus 2. This one is plus 2 to plus 3. This is increase in oxidation number. And that is going to give us reduction. Reducing agents, which is oxidation. So the next thing to do is you now balance atomically. MnO4 minus plus H plus to give us Mn2 plus H2O. So what do? Remember, it's an acidic medium. This will be plus plus this one is H2O. So here this is 4. You balance here 4. 4. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. Fe2 plus to give us Fe3 plus is on its own. So the next thing to do is you balance electrically minus plus H plus to give us Mn2 plus H2O. So we have minus 1 plus 8 to give us plus 2. We have 7 minus 2, which is 5. So we have Mn4 minus plus H plus Fe minus to give us Mn2 plus H2O. So the next thing to do is Fe2 plus to give us Fe3 plus E minus. How did I get that? Plus 2 to give us 3. What we are doing here is this side must always give you a positive number. So you will bring the smaller number to make a bigger number. So the same thing here, you take the smaller number here. So that will be 3 minus 2. And that is giving us 1. That is giving us 1. So the next thing to do is you multiply the side by 5. So we have Mn04 minus plus this plus Fe minus to give us Mn2 plus 4H2O. So we have 5Fe2 plus to give us 5Fe3 plus 5E minus. So this cancel this. They must be at 2 ends, 2 opposite ends. So you add up Mn4 minus plus H plus 5Fe2 plus to give Mn2 plus 4H2O plus 5Fe2 plus. So what you do next is you have a class work to do. You have a class work to do. We have S2O 4 or maybe 6 2 minus plus Fe2 plus to give us S2O3 2 minus plus Fe3 plus.
Àlùbọ́sà ti jóná.
Ó yẹ lọ paná.
Ọgbẹ́ ta lọ paná.
So, that's all.